So this question, the circuit shows a battery and a lamp connected to two ammeters, A1 and A2. The current through A1 is 0.6 amps. Complete the following sentence underlining the correct phrase in the brackets. A2 reads less than, 6 or more than 6. Now we need to remember the fact that current has only one path to take in a series circuit. So if there's 0.6 amps there, there's also 0.6 amps there, and there. So therefore, it's going to be exactly the same as in the other ammeter reading. Using the correct circuit symbol, add a voltmeter to the circuit diagram above to measure the voltage across the lamp. Now, we need to remember that an ammeter is connected in series, therefore a voltmeter must be connected in parallel. And again, yours would be much neater than mine. Okay, 2 marks, one for being in parallel, one probably for the circuit symbol. You need to make sure you draw it with a pencil and ruler. Now this question is really easy. The voltmeter reads 9 volts and the current through the lamp is 6 amps. Use the equation, resistance is voltage divided by current. Okay, so now we've got 9 volts is the voltage. If you're thinking what's the current, it tells you the current through the lamp is 0.6 amps. Remember, current in amps, current in amps. It's called current. The symbol's I, units A, divided by 0.6. Then if I do 9 divided by 0.6, I get 15 ohms. Okay, state what happens to the current through A1 when the 9 volt battery is replaced by a 12 volt battery. So, now if you make the voltage bigger, remember R equals V over I. Okay. If you make the voltage bigger, the resistance stays the same because you're using the same bulb. The current must get bigger. If you think about it logically, state what happens to the current when you replace the 9 volt battery with the 12 volt battery. Now that's like saying, what's the difference between a small battery and a big battery? You're going to get a bigger current from a bigger battery, aren't you? So you say the current would either get larger or increase. Now, state what happens to the current through A1 when another lamp is connected in series. So this time we're doing the opposite. We're going to add, we've got one lamp and another lamp. If you can imagine, when you add in a practical, you add another lamp in series, they get dimmer, don't they? That's because the current gets smaller. So the current would decrease.